Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant, a restaurant concept located in the state of Oklahoma with 2 locations. I'm here to teach you ways to eat plants to feel better and to live more. To start, I'd like to think that you're watching this video because you too have a drive to change your life or your health for the better. Like many people, I grew up with a number of health issues that turned into autoimmune conditions that later turned into thyroid cancer when I was in my late teens and early 20s. And through all of that, I tried pretty much every diet, every type of doctor, every superfood, every cleanse, you name it, I probably tried it. But through that, I found this thing called real food, which is what Plant is all about. Real food just so happened to change my life, and that is why we are here today. So after I discovered real food and was actually challenged to a 7-day plant-based diet by a friend in high school, I decided that plant-based was for me. And through that, I followed my father's footsteps of becoming a chef, and I became a raw food chef. And that's where I really developed my love for the nutrition behind food and why we eat certain foods and what food can truly do for our bodies. So I went on to study integrative nutrition. I was fortunate enough to travel to several different countries and learn from some gurus. And then when I returned to Oklahoma, I launched a health coaching business. And I started working with individuals and corporate clients to really dive into their health and to get them to reach their goals and to get them to where they wanted to be. And through that, I learned that I can't help enough people on my own. And so I realized that Oklahoma City and Edmond, Oklahoma, and all of our surrounding areas really needed access to plant-based options and to food that loved them back. So that's where the idea of Plant was born. And now, like I said, we have 2 locations. We offer a ton of community events, a lot of free education and cooking classes and things like that. And so that's what brought us to YouTube. We're currently helping people in our own communities, but we wanted to be able to expand our reach and help people no matter where you live. So this YouTube channel is going to serve a purpose for cooking classes, nutrition tips, anything you guys want to learn. Be sure to let us know. Subscribe to the channel, send us an email, comment below, let us know what you're looking to learn. Most of all, I'm excited you're here and I can't wait to start cooking with you.